natin, one conference into the 50th anniversary of the league, I will bet you Ginebra will be the number one pick in the next season. Kasi nakuha nila yung
Yes.
nakuha nila yung draft pick ni Terra Firma eh. Instead
Yes.
of Terra Firma getting stronger, it will be Ginebra that is going to get stronger. So yung malakas ang lumalakas, yung mahina ang humihina. No? And we can already foresee that, no? As early as one conference into this season, I will bet you to a steak dinner. Pagka hindi number one pick ang Ginebra, papakainin ko kayo ng steak dinner kayong dalawa. Pero pag mali, pag ano naman, pagka hindi sila nag-number one, ako naman ang papakainin nyo.
Coach, sa akin win-win yan. Baka hindi pa sa amin ni Homer. Although I'm a Ginebra fan. So either way. But anyway.
Yeah, so
kasi yun na yung no. So again, it's skirting the rules kasi they traded early kasi pagka nakuha yan ng Terra Firma, they will have to wait 2 years ata yung maghihintay sila bago nila makuha yung mga bago pwedeng mag-trade at makuha nila yung mga, because the draft next year is going to be
in January.
Deep.
Right,
It's
Coach?
going to be
Yes.
high caliber. Kaya napaka-importante niyan draft na yan.
And then one of the, ang narinig ko, Coach, is one of the potential draft picks doon is Michael Phillips sa the LaSalle player.
And many more, no? And many more, no? Marami pang magagaling.
And several more. So Ginebra would have a time easy pickings diyan kung baga. And agree ako diyan kasi this is how the rules have been circumvented and abused. Diba? How many picks na ba yung Terra Firma? Blackwater high picks na wala na
in the last 10 or 15 years,
Yes.
Last 10 or 15 years, yung last 3 picks, yung last natin, yung last 3 sa standings natin at yung first 3 sa taas, halos hindi nagpapalit eh. Yung sa gitna lang ang nagpapalit eh. No? So how can you sell competition if it is very predictable what's happening?
Correct.
Ang produkto ng PBA is competition eh. We are selling competition, we are selling rivalries. No? So kailangan yung game ng Ginebra at ng Terra Firma, pagkalaban si Rain or Shine, parehong interesting, parehong kalaban yun, parehong 50-50 pwede manalo. No?
Yes.
Yeah.
That will make it interesting. No? And then let's think about regional. Kasi ito, low-lying fruit lang to eh.
Tama. Ito muna, yung parity talaga, yan ang pinakamalaking killer, no? Ng fans. Kasi parang alam na nila eh, bakit pa kung may manonood, alam na namin kung sinong, pati yung trading at saka yung draft, alam na namin kung ano mangyayari. So, anyway, Homer.
Yeah, one other thing, Coach. Without, I'm not a big fan of Comet Marshall, and nothing personal either. Pero do you agree, regardless of the performance of a commissioner, do you agree there should be a term limit? Or should he stay, based on magaling siya and maganda yung pinakita niya? Kasi sa akin, familiarity breeds contempt. The longer a commissioner stays in there, everything is kind of normalized. He gets shammy to all the governors, and I'm not inferencing any hanky-panky, pero there's a reason why sa ating palakaran, bilang mga regional director ng police, sometimes iniikot sila. They cannot be staying in the same precinct for a long time because familiarity breeds contempt. You get to know everybody, the mayors and all that stuff, and things become too dicey. So sa PBA ba, you think there should be a term limit, Coach, for the commissioner?
Sa akin, I'm really open to that to that idea na magka term limit. Let's say bigyan mo ng 4 years and then renewable for another 4 years. But ang ano mo doon is you have to have a basis for your performance, no? Dapat pagka ginawa kang commissioner, ito yung ratings natin ngayon, ma-improve ba natin ng 2% yan, 3% yan? Ito yung income natin ngayon, ma-improve ba natin ng 10% ang income natin? O ano yung mga bagong ideas na implement natin? Also, how do we promote the league? And then, yung parameters na yon, yun ang magiging basis mo kung marirenew ka o hindi, 'di ba? So,
Ah.
but I don't know if they practice that. Hindi ko alam ang nangyayari sa loob ng board, no? Pero kasi if you're a CEO, you're being judged, no, on how well your stocks are doing, no? How well your
Correct.
revenues are doing, no? And PBA is a business, no? So hindi magkakaiba dapat yung mga basis or parameter natin to make a judgment kung successful ka o hindi.